Hi everyone, Nancy at the Treasure Home, and this is just like a spur of the moment video. I ain't gotten the whole day started yet, but I was making breakfast. I was like, oh, I'm putting something together. I need to make a video. So I took some mushrooms and spinach, and I kind of sauteed that till they were softened and cooked down. Took 3 eggs, seasoned with black pepper, salt, garlic powder, and onion powder, and mixed that together. Put the peppers and the spinach and the eggs, put it back in the pan, and let it, spread around. I added some cheese, and then I added what's left of my flaxseed bread. It's all crumbly. So I'm going to show you what I did. So, eggs are cooking. I put all that there, then the cheese on top. The cheese is melted, and then I put the breadcrumbs. Just made breadcrumbs and put it on top. And here we go. And baby girl, Anastasia's gonna have some bacon, some flaxseed bread, and some mushrooms. She does not like scrambled eggs. So, I want to do a quick video. I have a short, so I'll try to link this video to the short. I don't know how that works. Maybe it will work. If it does, ooh, that'd be exciting. So, that's my breakfast. You're watching for more videos. If you haven't liked, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications. Check out our links below. And we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.